threw me back. I had to hold on the steering wheel and keep the gas going.
Jesus.
Ran great.
Yeah.
The seat slipped. As soon as I locked it, pushed me back, and I got holding on the steering column.
Did you lift off a bit then?
I think. I bet you'll see it come off a little bit.
Dorcik and Rando Hernandez.
Yes! Finally! Woo!
Yes!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, that's awesome. Time for that 7.
Good stuff.
Man,
Well deserved.
You got it done.
I got out there. I couldn't see it.
You couldn't read.
No, I'm sitting there. There's no lights.
In disbelief.
Oh.
All right. Good pass.
Yeah, it scared me because when I took off, I couldn't tell if it was bouncing or spinning
Yeah,
or
a little
what.
bit of oil. The track's pretty tight right now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hold on to that. Hold on to that one.
798. Hey, 179.
Yeah, mile an hour. It's strong. What was the 60? 135. It was just coming down on the launch target, but yeah.
I sat there and sat. I wasn't even worried about it.
I'm gonna go 770s tomorrow.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah!
Man.
Yep, that's really cool.
You've been chasing that one.
Yeah, I did stupid stuff like put gloves on. They never wear gloves. They said, give me that help. Let me do it. That works a little kid.
We were all like little kids. We closed down the tent.
Yeah, we did. We all came
Everybody
to
was
see.
up watching you.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it was aggravating. I come down and I said, man, it felt good. Man, look, I can't read a thing. It's so dark out there and I couldn't get the light on. I just kept driving until I got about halfway here and I pulled over again. Damn it, the other light didn't work.
Well, congrats. That's awesome.
Thanks to y'all. What are you talking
Good
about?
job. Hey.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Without y'all. Oh, man. Man.
You did it.
Yeah.
You did it.
I told you, did
Ah,
I not
come here.
tell you?
I should listen to you, right?
But you did though, you did listen
Well,
to
you know,
me.
I was worried because I got out there and it did that shot. It
Yeah.
wouldn't start. Oh, you got to be kidding me. And then the weight, good Lord.
Yeah, right?
And I was scared to turn it off.
Yeah.
But when the crew's there, you don't, oh yeah, turn it off. They'll take care of it.
That's awesome.
Man.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a good 2 years, I think.
Yeah.
At least. Oh well.
I got a good video
All
of
right.
it. I got a
That's it.
great
What's
video of it.
That's always the way.
Yeah, I'm content now.
That's awesome.
Did it feel like it? Could you tell?
Well, actually, it felt just like all the other runs, to be honest.
Ah.
You know, I guess because everything's so close there,
Yeah, yeah.
it's tough to tell.
Yeah.
But I could feel it. I thought it was, you know, spinning again. I said, no.
Oh.
But then all the way down, I just, seat didn't move, so I was happy with that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good job. Good job.
Gee, does that feel good? I can't believe it. My license plate gets to go now.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Put it on the wall.
Oh.
Seven-second man.
That's pretty sweet. First round, oh my god. This guy run a 7.8 already. But I got him trap speed wise, so I
Alright.
get a good launch. Oh well. Not the class I really wanted to be in. I wanted to be lower.
Yeah, I see, I see. Well, that's what you get when you're a 7-second man.
Yeah, hey, you know, now it's all like icing. If I get eliminated, I don't care.
Yeah, hell
It'd be
yeah.
nice to move on one and leave.
Right, right, for sure.
That's just funny.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice. Another 7?
Yeah,
Just-
competition.
Oh,
Just brought this to me.
oh, that's awesome.
He took it last year.
That's really last year?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too cool.
I told him, I said, I pay for it. He said, no, it's free.
Oh, that's really nice of him. That's really cool. I like Roman.
I said, you know him?
No, I don't know, but he gets a shout out.
He says he's out of we're in Dallas somewhere.
Cool. Yeah, it's a sweet shot. That's awesome.
Well, I can't complain, but I told him, I said, ain't nothing free. Come on. Oh, well, I'm going to put it in the truck.
You backed up the 790.
Yeah, I know.
There it is.
I sat at the frickin' light.
No, it's all right. It's all right. We got more to go.
Yeah, I didn't.
It's time to go 780s.
Hey, 792. That's at least that backs it up nice.
Yeah, yeah, really
When I
nice.
sat, he was already moving out of there before he even let go.
Yeah, he staged first. That's the whole. I guess that's the whole deal with the Pro Tree, right?
Well, GTR's Pro Trees are tough.
Yeah.
Either on it
There's
or
no
not.
bumping.
Hey, I'll take it.
Yeah, we got another.
Let's go this way.
Hell yeah.